How to download CapCut in Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can download CapCut in Android device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to download CapCut on your Android device, CapCut is basically a free editing software that is mostly popular because of TikTok, because they collaborated with each other. So if you want to also download CapCut, just go to your Play Store and type in CapCut over here. Then you'll find the CapCut video editor app. Then all you have to do here is to simply tap on the install button there on your Android phone, and the app will begin to download itself. Depending upon the strength of your internet connection, this process could take a couple of seconds or minutes, so just be patient and wait. And after the installation process is complete, you will be able to open the CapCut and start video editing. So I hope that the video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.